What is up, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So in this video, we're going to be going over the 10 most shorted, the 10 stocks with the highest short interest in the stock market. And I simply want to break them down for you guys and give my opinion. And I also want to talk about what's going on right now with Robinhood, them blocking trading, for a couple of these stocks we're going to talk about today, and kind of my thoughts on that. So if you guys find value, you know what to do. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, make sure to get 4 stocks from WeBull and $30 from M1 Finance. All of those are free and linked right down below in the description box. And first and foremost, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you guys to go and buy any of these stocks. I'm not. In fact, you shouldn't even look at these if you're not willing to lose all of your investment. Meaning, if you were to go and play these stocks and buy some of these stocks, which I'm not telling you to do, I'm not a financial advisor, but if you were to do that, I wouldn't put any amount of money that I'm willing to lose. I'd put a very small amount of money, and I would have to look at that money and be like, okay, I'm willing to lose all of that. So if you're comfortable with losing your money, hey, these are stocks you could play. But again, I'm not a financial advisor for the 10th time, and I'm not telling you guys what to do. But stock number 1, the most shorted stock in the U.S. stock market right now is no surprise. It is GameStop, ticker symbol GME. And all of these are according to, I believe the website is highshortinterest.com. I'll put the screenshot up here. You guys can see it. And again, this is no surprise. GameStop is stock number 1. And as of today, their short interest is 140%. So it's over 100%, meaning there's more shorting than there are shares out there, which is why we're seeing such a big squeeze, and they're shorting more shares rather than there are even out there, which is insane, right? That's why we're seeing that big squeeze. And it's funny, it looks like a lot of these, big funds are getting bailed out. Magically, yesterday, WeBull, Fidelity, they were having troubles. Robinhood was having trouble. And by the way, Fidelity, I never have trouble on Fidelity. Yesterday, I was having trouble. And today, what do you know? WeBull suspends trading for GameStop and another stock we're going to talk about, and some other ones as well, I'm pretty sure. Robinhood, they blocked the trading for GameStop, and AMC, which is the other stock. We'll talk about that here in a second, which is absolutely crazy, right? Let's say you're using Robinhood, WeBull, you're literally not able to participate in buying these stocks. I heard you could sell, though. Isn't that funny, right? Isn't that funny? You could sell, so the stock gets pushed down very aggressively, and guess what? What these big boys are doing when the stock's being pushed down aggressively, guess what? They're covering their butts, they're covering their short, and they're still probably losing a ton of money, but they're not losing as much money because the floodgates are not open right now. Robinhood, where a lot of these Wall Street bets guys go and trade, and WeBull and some other platforms, they're restricting the buying. The floodgates are not being open, which is crazy to think what's going to happen once they lift up these bans, hopefully today, tomorrow. I don't even know, guys, when that's going to happen, but we'll see. When that happens, maybe we see another massive squeeze up as that buying pressure kicks in. Shorts are probably going to have to go and cover again, and that's going to, again, push the stock's price up, which is a crazy thing to imagine because, look, GameStop was $512 pre-market. Now it's at $230. That's wild. That's a wild drop. In fact, it was down to $112 earlier in the day, which is ridiculous. So, hey, it could go back up above $500 if we open the floodgates. We'll see. But at this point, I think it's just corrupt. Let's be honest. It is corrupt. This video might get shadow banned. Who cares? I don't think it will, but whatever, guys. It's just ridiculous what's going on right now. The little guy, they can't have some wins, can they, huh? But when the big hedge funds, when the institutions are shorting these companies to the ground, making a killing, scamming, manipulating, whatever, when they do it, it's all good, right? But hey, when the little guy does it, it's such a bad thing. That's what's going on right now. And although I don't have skin in the game with any of these stocks, I'm still pretty mad about it. I'll be honest. I'm still pretty mad about it, and I'm sure you guys probably are as well. And I'd love to know what you think down below in the comments. And I just realized I went on a little side tangent there. But yeah, stock number one is GameStop. It's being shorted like crazy right now, 138% short interest. And stock number two, which I just realized I said I have no skin in the game in these stocks. By that, I meant I don't have skin in the game in, the Wall Street bet stocks, GameStop, AMC, Nokia, BlackBerry. I don't have skin in the game there. But with this stock, I actually do have skin in the game. And I've been in this for a while, a couple months at least, and this is Virgin Galactic, ticker symbol SPCE. This is the second highest shorted stock right now in the stock market with a short interest of 81%. And this is one that I've been in since about $18, so I'm well positioned, kind of like those that were in AMC at like $3, $4. They were well positioned for that massive rally in the short squeeze, right? For me, I was in SPCE. I'm still in since $18, so I was well positioned for that nice squeeze up to about 60. And now we're trading back down at about $42. And I know it's crazy to say what stock is the safest stock because none of these really are safe. But out of all of these, if I were to throw $1,000 right now for a swing trade, I'd definitely pick Virgin Galactic out of all of these because, truthfully, I think this company deserves to be a $35, $40 stock, $45 stock. This one's not outrageously inflated like GameStop. It's nowhere near that. So I'm looking at this more as a buy, honestly, even though I'm not a financial advisor. For me, I'm looking at it as a buy with what I'm looking to do. And yeah, I'd do that maybe as a swing trade. With money, again, I'm willing to lose a little bit on because it is pretty volatile. And again, I'm in it already as a long-term position. So what do you guys think about Virgin Galactic? Let me know down below. And stock number three is AMC, which again is one of these stocks that is banned on Robinhood. It's banned on WeBull as of now, I believe. And it's banned elsewhere. Fidelity, I don't think it's banned. You could actually trade it on Fidelity, which is awesome. That's what I personally use for a bulk of my money. I love Fidelity. And AMC, look, it was $25 the other day. Today pre-market, it was $22. It collapsed all the way down to $6, guys. And I said in the chat when it was around $6, $7, that's not that bad of a risk reward if you're really looking to play maybe another short squeeze. If you're banking on another short squeeze, that could be a decent price to get in, considering 3 days ago it was at $4, $5, $5.50. So hey, $6, $7, that could be decent. Even where it is now at $9, if you're banking on another short squeeze, this could be a decent spot to get in my opinion. But again, these are not worth putting a lot of money in. You cannot put money in this that you're not willing to lose at least half of or all of it, guys, all of it. No joke. You got to understand that with stocks like these. And AMC has a pretty high short interest as well, 68%. Which is pretty dang high, close to 70%. So this one's worth watching, although it's down 50% today. And I did a video a couple days ago more on the stock specifically, so go check that out. I'll link it down below if you guys are interested. And stock number four is BBBY. This is Bed Bath & Beyond. As of today, the short interest is 66%. And you can see it's had its fair share of squeezing these past couple of weeks. The stock's gone from $17 back in the beginning of 2021 all the way to, as of today, $60 per share. So at 3x, now it's back down to about $30. It's literally cut in half today. It's down about 40% as of now, but from its peak at 58 down to about 32%. That's almost half, right? So this one's getting decimated. It seems like it's trying to hold the uptrend on this hourly chart right around this 180 SMA, so watch out for that. But yeah, BBBY, it's the fourth biggest shorted stock, highest shorted stock right now at 66%. So watch out for that. But again, approach with caution, guys. And stock number 5, this is one that I don't know, so we're going to go over it quickly here. It's ticker symbol LGND. This is actually a biotechnology and drugs-oriented company. They have a pretty high short interest of 64%. And you can see it squeezed a good amount from $98 to $200. Now it's at about 160, holding that 50 SMA on the hourly chart. There's earnings coming up. Could we rally off this point, squeeze again? It's definitely possible, so watch out for it. The next one is Fizz, ticker symbol FIZZ. This is a beverage company. This one, holy moly, guys. This one had a 62. It has a 62% short interest as of right now. And the stock, ever since the beginning towards the middle of this year in 2021, it went from $77 to almost $200. That's almost a 3x. Might as well call it a 2.5x. That is pretty dang good. And this company, their main beverage is what? LaCroix? If I'm wrong on that, let me know in the comments. But yeah, that is their main beverage, and they're a heavily shorted stock, and the shorts just got smoked, guys. They just got smoked. And who knows? It could go a lot higher. These all could go a lot higher. The thing is, we don't know what's going to happen. And like I said before with Robinhood, all these traders that can't put buy orders in, once they open those gates again, if it's full access, which I hope it is, guys, it's not fair to block people. If it is full access, there's going to be a big pump, in my humble opinion. I think that is coming. And Fubo is the next on the list. What is this? The 7th heaviest shorted stock. Fubo TV, this one is a 62%. It has a 62% short interest. So this is one that we actually looked at recently back when it was at $30. 35, 40. I actually missed the move. And the truth is, there could be more upside. I mean, take a look at the previous squeeze from 27 to 65. That was very quick. Then we saw a big pull down after that. And we've built a slow base at about 30. Now we're ramping back up. I think this level could ultimately hold right around $40, maybe $45. So watch out for Fubo. The next one here is Sun Power Corporation, which is a semiconductor. That's the industry it is in. That is ticker symbol SPWR. This is the 8th highest shorted stock right now. It is down 7% today. But if you look at what it's done in the previous couple of months, your jaw is going to drop. It went from $6 all the way to 60. Again, now it's down 7% on the day, holding that 50 SMA on the 4-hour chart. And who knows, this could be yet again another dip buy before it does squeeze up. Do your own research, guys, but that is what I'm seeing right now on Sun Power. The next one here is ticker symbol SKT, also known as Tanger Factory Outlet Centers. This one has roughly a 50% short interest, and you can see this one in the past couple of days doubled. It went from $11-12 to about $21, so almost a double up. And now it's back down to $15, right around that 50 SMA 4-hour chart. It's currently down about 14% on the day. And this is one that, hey, it could also be a dip. I mean, you notice all of these, they mostly exhausted the initial short squeeze. Now they're pulling back, and I'm not saying to buy the dip, of course. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm saying these dips, if you're looking to gamble a little bit, they could be worth looking at. That's all I am saying. And the last one, stock number 10 with the highest short interest, is ticker symbol AXDX, also known as Accelerate Diagnostics, with a short interest of 46%. This is a scientific and technical instruments stock. That's the industry it's in. And oh boy, has it done something crazy. It went from $6.80 to $17. Now it's tanking. Today it's down almost 30%, down to about $11, right around that 50 SMA. So yeah, you get the nature of these highly shorted stocks. They're very dangerous. They see massive pumps followed by big dumps. And like I've been saying, if you have gamble money and you're willing to hold through some pain, hey, you could make some money on these, but I don't recommend them, and you really have to be careful. That's just me being honest. And the last one, or a bonus one, shall I say, number 11, which I can't remember the last time I had a Tootsie Roll. It is Tootsie Roll, ticker symbol TR. This is one that is going bananas. It went from about $28 a couple days ago all the way to $60. Now it's back down to $37. So this is another candidate on the list of even more short squeezes, as a lot of shorts probably have to cover as long as a lot of these stocks continue the buying momentum spree that we're seeing right now. So that's it, guys. Those are the top 11 shorted stocks in the stock market right now. My thoughts on Robinhood, WeBull, the restrictions, everything going on. To sum it up, I'm not a fan. I'm pretty angry about it. I don't think it's right. They're bailing out the big boys yet again. That's not cool. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I'd love to know, as always. And all I ask from you is, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, maybe subscribe, also get into the Discord chat, the Strive Smart Discord chat, the Facebook group, maybe get 4 stocks from WeBull. Hey, they suspended your AMC and GameStop today, which is not cool, but you can still get 4 stocks from them. That's linked down below. And M1 Finance, which is more of a longer term brokerage. You're not looking to, day trade penny stocks in there. They're doing a nice offer right now. It's $30. All you have to do is open up an account, deposit any amount of money, and you get that $30 free. And again, all of those are linked down below. So I'll catch you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. As always, keep crushing the markets, guys. Be careful out there. Please be careful. See you guys next video. Peace out.